My name is Kavya and I am here to discuss a topic based on the different steps in writing a report. The main steps in writing a report is logical analysis of the subject matter, preparation of the final report, the preparation of the rough draft, rewriting and polishing of the rough draft, preparation of the final bibliography. Research reports are the product of slow, painstaking, accurate, in-depth work. The usual steps involved in writing a report are these. So all these steps are self-explanatory, yet a brief mention of each one of these will be appropriate for better understanding. Now we can look into what is meant by the logical analysis of the subject matter. It is the first step which is primarily concerned with the development of a subject. There are two ways in which to develop a subject, logically and chronologically. The logical development is made on the basis of mental connections and associations between the one thing and another by means of analysis. The logical treatment often consists in developing the material from the simple possible to the most complex structures. The chronological development is based on a connection or sequence in times or occurrence. The direction for doing or making something usually follows the chronological order. The next one, the preparation of the final report. It is the next step in writing the research report. Outlines are the framework upon which long written works are constructed. They are an aid to the logical organization of the material and a reminder of the points to be stressed in the report. The third one, the preparation of the rough draft. What is meant by the preparation of the rough draft? This follows the logical analysis of the subject and the preparation of the final outline. Such a step is of utmost importance for the researcher now sits to write down what he has done in the context of the research study. He will write down the procedure adopted by him in collecting the material for his study, along with various limitations faced by him, the technique of analysis adopted by him, the broad findings and generalization, and the various suggestions he wants to offer regarding the problem concerned. The fourth one, the rewriting and polishing of the rough draft. This step happens to be the most difficult part of all the formal writing. Why? We can look into why. Usually this step requires more time than the writing of a rough draft. The careful revision makes the difference between mediocre and a good piece of writing. While rewriting and polishing, one should check the report for weakness in logical development or presentation. The researcher should also see whether or what not the material as it is presented, as unity and cohesion. Does the report stand upright and firm and exhibit a defined pattern, like a marble arch? Or does it resemble an old wall of mouldering cement and loose brick? In addition to the researcher should give due attention to the fact that in his rough draft he has been consistent or not. He should check the mechanism of writing grammar, spelling and usage. The last and final one, the preparation of the final bibliography. Next in order comes the task of preparation of the final bibliography. The bibliography, which is generally appended to the research report, is a list of books in some way pertinent to the research which